every NEET aspirant in India has been looking forward to the day the NEET counseling schedule is going to be announced. Now, MCC, that is the Medical Counselling Committee of India, has announced the 15% All India quota online counseling schedule for the academic year. Hi everyone, this is PB from Dialfo College, bringing you the latest update on the online counseling schedule. By the way, if you are watching this video of ours for the first time, subscribe to our channel to continue receiving education-related videos. With 4 rounds in the counseling schedule, let's look at the dates for each round. First, you go into the official website of MCC, which is mcc.nic.in, and you will open into their main page. Go into UG Medical, go below and click on this. Here opens the schedule for online counseling for NEET UG, MBBS, BDS and BSc nursing courses. Now this is for the All India 15% quota for all deemed and central universities, for all the AIIMS institutes in the country, as well as the JIPMER in Pondicherry and Karaikal. Now as I said, there are 4 rounds. The first round, the registration and payment starts on the 21st of July, goes on for 8 days. So the last day for registration and payment is the 28th. So the payment has to be done before 3 p.m. on the last day, which is 28th of July. 22nd onwards, you can do your choice filling and locking. Choice locking is available on the last day, which is the 28th of July, between 4 p.m. and 11:55 p.m. Allotment process happens between 29th and 30th of July. Results announced on the 31st of July, and whichever colleges you are being allotted to, you will have to report or join that college between the 1st and the 6th of August, which gives you 6 days to go and report to the college with all your credentials. So then the verification of the candidates will be done on the 7th and the 8th of August. Similarly, in the second round, the registration payment starts on the 12th of August and goes on for 7 days until the 18th of August. So the last date for the payment of this second round is 18th August, 3 p.m. Choice filling starts from the 13th of August and goes on till the 18th of August. And you have to finish your payment before the 11:55 of the last date. Seat allotment will be done for 2 days between 19th and 20th, and the results will be announced on the 21st of August. You will have to report to the college between 22nd and 29th, which is 8 days, and the verification of documents will be done between 30th August and 1st September. Similarly, you go on to round 3. Round 3 again is being held for 6 days between the 3rd and the 8th of September. Again, you can do your payment on or before 3 p.m. on the 8th of September. Choice locking and choice filling can be done between 3rd September and 8th September. You'll have to start finishing your choice locking by 11:55 p.m. Allotment of seats will be done on the 9th and 10th for 2 days. Results announced on 11th of September. You can report to college between 12th and 18th of September, as usual, 7 days, and your documents verification is done on the 19th to 21st of September, which is 3 days. So after 3 rounds, if there are still vacant seats, they will hold a stray round. So the stray round schedule is also given in this notification. The registration and payment for the stray round is 22nd September to 24th September, which is 3 days. The last date for that is September 24th, 6 p.m. is the last time. So you have to ensure you do your payment before this time. Choice filling is from 22nd till the 25th. The locking has to be done up to 8 a.m. on the 25th of September. So you have 4 days time for that. And then the processing of allotment will be done for 2 days, that is 25th and 26th of September. Results will be announced on the 27th of September, and you'll have to report to the college by 27th of September. Last date for you to report is 3rd September. You do have 7 days time. By the way, should you have any doubts or clarifications about the process to apply for this online counseling, do call the number given in our video, and our expert counselors will be ready to give you any kind of help that you want. If you think this video was useful for you, press like and share it with your friends. Until we meet again, stay safe and God bless.